Abel, you go first. Pour it all in there. Tap, tap, tap. Give it a tap. Now give mine a tap, Abel. Tap, tap, tap. All right, let's pour water. This time Abel goes first again. Oh, wait. All right, you pour a little bit in. Okay, you ready? I'll help you. That's enough. The rest is me.
Whoa! And now, but I want to stir now.
Yep, you stir first.
Stir.
Stir a lot. Good, Abel. Good job. My turn. Then you get to go again. Oh, let's get that mix good.
Now it's my turn.
Yep.
The rest is for me.
My turn.
Now it's
Stir,
my
stir,
turn.
stir. Wait, let's do it together.
Yes.
Stir, stir, stir. Let's go. Good. Big stirs. Big stirs, Abel. Do big stirs. Fast, 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 fast. Don't go too fast. We don't want it outside the bowl. Do you want me to do the rest so you can relax? Let's get that nice and stirred up.
Can we put some color mix in there?
Hey, Mom, what do you think? I mean, customer. You guys love colors, don't you? You guys can go pick some colors while we keep mixing, Abel. Abel, you want to help or do you want me to keep doing it?
Oh, no.
I'll try.
But
All right, guys, let's pour some color. Abel, you have to help me, okay?
One.
Count how many, okay? Count. 1, 2, 3.
Can I try now?
No, Abel. Abel, let's do it.
No, let me do it.
My turn.
No, let's keep it down. There's a lot of purple.
Guys, watch this. Double spin. Oh, Abel, you want to do it together? Spin together. Super fast. All right. Oh, do you think that's purple, or shall we give some of the mixture from there?
More
and
mixture.
up there, then there, then there. And oh, hey, you can't escape the bowl.
Yeah, you
Stir,
can.
stir. I'm going to get it all for you, okay?
Mama, I want to taste it.
All right, guys. Let's cook some pancakes.
Look, can I put it on first?
Yep, you can go next.
Okay.
Right, you ready? Let's get all those drizzles off. Woo! Purple pancakes.
Purple, purple, purple.
Spread it.
I think,
Make a
can I
pie.
put some on now?
I bet they are so big, so let's make them a big pancake. There we go. That's a good size. Abel, your turn.
Yay.
No. All right,
Okay,
guys,
guys.
it's Abel's turn. Oh.
Right.
Abel, you want to do another scoop to make it a good one? All right.
A big one.
Abel, now shake it a bit so I get all the drizzles out, okay?
Can I put it on?
No, go.
Yeah,
My turn.
That was a gross mixture.
Pour.
Now it's
Yep.
my turn.
Wait, let me give it a bit more like yours so they can have a big pancake.
Can I try now?
All right, so let me just get it good. There we go. Your turn.
Yes, my turn. Oh, boom.
Get a big scoop.
Makes you look
All
up.
right, now shake it to get all the drizzles. All right, now go fast. All right, now pour some right there. All right, now do another scoop to fill it in, okay?
Let me try.
All right. Now shake it, and now
Now.
fast. Pour. That's gonna be a weird shaped pancake. My turn. I'm gonna try to make a shape, guys. I'm gonna try to make a shape heart.
Make it like a triangle.
All right, I'll try to make a triangle and a heart, okay? You can do the triangle, I'll do a heart. Get all the drizzles away. Go.
Actually, I'll do a circle.
Okay, do whatever you want. And let me fill that in. And nicer. Hey, it's not doing it well. Just gotta do another scoop. Abel, say bad heart. Bad heart. Yeah, you're not letting us make you. Yeah, it'll be pretty. We want you to be a nice girl. Look how huge that heart is.
Can
Abel,
I?
you want to do your other pancake right here? Right, put it under them. Put it under your pancake right here. Fast drop.
I was gonna spread it out.
Does that look yummy, guys?
Yeah.
Don't spread, Abel. Don't spread. All right, tell me if you need help. Now pour. Pour it on top. No spreading, okay? Do one last scoop to make it a fat pancake. Pour. Oh, now it'll be a big pancake and spread. All right, guys, you think that's enough? Or do you want me to make a triangle? I'll make a triangle.
Can I do it?
All right, let's do a triangle. Oh, it's a weird droopy triangle.
You're on your triangle. Hey, triangle, stay still.
Stay still. Let me get you in shape.
Oh, look, he's staying still.
All right, now
Say good triangle.
make it a good pancake because it can't be flat, guys.
Miss Lieutenant, say good pancake.
Give it an extra stir.
Miss Lieutenant, say good triangle.
Good triangle. It's gonna be a fat pancake.
He likes.
Blah. All right, guys, it's time to get these pancakes cooked for our customers. All right, guys, we had a drink. It took pretty much of a while. Look, Abel said he made a mouse body. I made her. It's kind of cracked, but I still like it. In the triangle, you see that now it's a rectangle, but part of Abel's tree broke off.
Hey, my tree.
And the rest of the circles are doing good.
Mommy, can I pour this into the bowl?
No, you can't do that. All right, looks like they're about ready. Hey, Mom, can you pass me over that spoon thing so I can put them on the plates? Guys. All right, guys, let's get them their pancakes.
Mommy, can I watch it?
All right, first pancake. It will go put it on the table. Make it look nice.
Huh? Mommy, you sit here.
All right, guys, let's do a second. If that one looks pretty well, go put that on the table.
Daddy.
No,
And Mommy.
Let's get another pancake.
Daddy's gonna sit right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna press it down. It don't look very well. There you go. If I made it look better, and if you want, don't touch it. Okay, don't touch it. You have to put 3 on one plate, guys.
And Macy.
Crazy.
And Macy.
Crazy. What?
You're gonna sit right over here next to Mommy.
No, it's only their food. I can't eat it. So
Macy, you're next to Mommy.
Ah! All right. That's so crazy. Oh, here's one. It looks like a fish. Did you make a fish, Abel?
No, yeah.
All right, let's get your mouse body. I won't break it. Okay, say it. Macy won't break my pancake.
Macy won't break my mouse body.
Oh, guys, this one's going crazy on me. I got it.
Be careful.
There we go.
We did it. Oh,
Go put that on a table, okay?
Ooh, that
Be careful.
Okay. Good, right?
All right, guys, let's go get my Christmas drinks. We might join. There's a girl and a boy, so let's get us some water. Wait, perfect. I hope it don't go crazy on us. There we go. And I know just how to do it. That's good. And that's done. There's 1 cup. We're not going to serve it yet. We're just going to leave it. Let's fill the second cup. Got a little water in it when we did that one. That's good. I got a lot of water for the mom because I bet she's thirsty. Because she probably didn't drink for a bit. I think they're the same size. Boy, we're all drinking water. All right, I'll pour juice in yours, okay? That's a bunch of water for the dad. Let's get juice for the boy. Pour in some juice. That's enough.
Is it already flipped?
All right, let's go
I
serve.
have fork and knife.
Hey, boys, we got you a drink.
Yum.
All right, here's some water
Thank you, baby.
and some juice. Bring it. Let's get our drinks, guys. You stay there and I'll get your drinks.
Thanks
All right, guys, my brother's gonna put some butter on his.
Whoa, be careful. Slide it off.
Let's Sarah. Yeah.
Slide it off.
I'm gonna put a bit
Now
of
let's spread. Spread all that everywhere.
It's sticky.
Spread, spread, spread it everywhere. Spread it everywhere.
Guys,
Spread, spread.
hear me out. Butter is delicious on stuff, but yucky by itself. grab a knife so I can put butter on mine. Some butter. I don't really like the butter that much, so I'm just grabbing little scoops. Because I never tried it with butter, so I'm just going to put to the side.
That's not enough butter in it.
Huh? Guys, my mom's putting peanut butter on pancakes. Gross. Nobody likes peanut butter on her pancakes.
I do.
You're the grossest mom in the world. Guys, this is the end of our video. And don't forget to subscribe. And it's right up here. Bye. Don't. That's so funny.